Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how you can just fix your display if it is not working in your Poco C71 smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to just simply tap on the settings and you will see if sometimes your display working and sometimes not. You can just click on the apps, click on see all 62 apps, click on show system. Here it is search, and then friends you can just simply write here and just click on here and write here settings, and here it is setting storage. You can just simply click on storage and cache and clear cache this. Now then press back, then here you have to write Google and you have to click on this Google Play Services, and then you have to click on storage and cache. Just click on clear cache, and this is how you can just fix your display. And you have to just first fix some storage. You have to release some storage that are not in use, like apps, videos, photos. You can just clear them out so it will not hang or sometime. And if it is not working, then you have to restart your phone, and if it is not, then you have to go to your service center and check up your smartphone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.